Hi everybody, Blazing Bullets here. We're out at the range. I brought the family with me. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of overview on my new Glock 36. Very nice pistol. 45 ACP. I'm going to put some different rounds through it. I'm going to put some Remington through, and then I'm going to put some Federal, and then of course I'm going to put some Golden Spears through it. This is what I'm going to use for protection. So I definitely want to see if this works and how good it feeds through my pistol. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to start out with the Glock 36, and I am going to shoot the Golden Sabers just to see what it'll do. We're about 25 feet from the targets, so we're going to see how this Glock 36 does with the Golden Spears. There's the targets downrange. See if I can put a couple rounds down there through the Glock 36 and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Of course, it looks like all my rounds went left. It's pretty normal for me. First one failed to feed. That might have been because I limp-wristed it a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and try 6 rounds of Golden Saber. Federal. Okay, I got the Federal loaded, and see how that does. Not too bad. Everything fed very, very nicely. Very smooth pistol. Like I said, I only had that one failure to feed through the Golden Sabers. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if it's the magazine doing that or what. So we'll just have to see. All right, now I'm going to put some Remington rounds through it. Now these feed into the 36. Fed very nice. No failures to feed, no stove piping. Very nice, very smooth. See if you could see, if I can get a close up there. Half decent groups. Like I said, a lot of my rounds look like I went left. But I'm kind of standing left of the camera, so that could be why too. But I'm going to go ahead and let my son shoot, and then see what happens from there. Hey, this is my son Colin. Say hi, everybody. He's gonna have a go at my 36 and see how he does. Which one were you shooting at? Pretty nice camera, gets in real close. No. Okay. Alright, we did also bring out the wife's Ruger SR9, which is here. And I gave you guys a little overview of that through my show and tell video. And we're gonna have the wife shoot it, and she'll give you a little lowdown on what's going on with this gun. Wife Kathy. No, go to the left target. What do you think about that gun? What do you think about that gun?
I think it's really good. So I hit most of my target, but aiming for the head. If it would have been someone coming at me, I think I would have hurt them a lot.
Okay, very good. Alright, I'm gonna put this up on. Okay, this was the onslaught of what the wife shot at. As you could see, she put some pretty nice groupings in there towards the head with her 9mm Ruger. Yeah, I can't talk. You can see she put 2 right on the bullseye. 25 feet, not too bad. Okay, just like I said, we wanted to give you an overview of the 2 pistols. I'm going to put some more Golden Saber rounds through the 45, the Glock 36 to see how it reacts to that type of a bullet. The first rounds I put through it, the first round I shot had a stovepipe. So we're going to go ahead and see if we got any better here. You could do the commentary, so my dad's going to try. Okay, here we go with the Golden Sabers again. I'm going to put 6 rounds down range just to see if I get any more failure feeds or stovepiping through the Glock 36. Okay, here we go. A little bit better that time. As you can see, I put it over there to the left and then to center. I don't know where the other 2 have been. Might have been high a little bit. Just trying to get used to this pistol. It feels really comfortable though for me because I am used to the 45 ACP. So I'll try 6 more and see the values. Okay, here we go with 6 more rounds of Golden Saber. The only thing I'd probably change out of this is the barrel. Masquerade barrel, put Masquerade barrel in there, and probably take this little plastic guide rod out of here, put a metal or titanium guide rod and spring in here. Try to inspect the pistol just to see if getting any, looks like I'm getting some foulings down in here slightly. That might be normal. This is the first time I am breaking in this pistol, so these are the first rounds that I'm shooting through it. Okay, this is my son Colin. He's got the Ruger SR9. What do you think about that pistol?
What Mom said, and it works like a regular 9. The grip is big for my hand, and
the grip's too big for your hand?
no, it's the right size for my hand.
Okay, and that's important when choosing a firearm. Would you say? Would you say that's one of the most important things? Okay. Well, thanks. Appreciate your opinion.